Hey guys, I went to North Carolina last night and picked up a bandsaw for cut and seal. That's a horizontal bandsaw made by Johnson. Pretty good little saw, fairly robust, made primarily in the 50s. And so there's a lot of material in them. The specific one was about 300 pounds. I think it's 24 inches long or 24 inches wide, 48 deep. I'm kind of in need of something that's in the mid to small size. And so anyway, I found a guy up in North Carolina. I drove out there to take a look at it. Anyway, I wound up buying it. He wound up loading it in this truck using a forklift. It fit right here in the bed. It was pretty dirty. You can see it had pieces of shavings and stuff like caked in there. I'm hoping there's not too much metal from the saw. Anyway, you can see nice little piles here. It was filthy. So I had to take it apart last night to get it out. Here's what it looks like. Had to take the motor off and the top. This part here, I think most of the weight is in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this out in the driveway and use a pressure washer to clean it up. I'm gonna take all the electronic stuff off and get it to a point that could be used. I think it's gonna be a good setup for what I need. And the saws are pretty robust. There's a lot more material in it than something you'd get for like a similar price on today's market. I know Harbor Freight sells about the bottom of the line bandsaw that you'd want in this size, and it's over $1,000. And so I'm guessing this is probably more capable than that. A lot more rigid and stiff in this direction. And so I'm guessing you're gonna get better cut quality out of this, but we're gonna find out. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I'm gonna do a full restoration. Okay, I got the top off of this and I pressure washed all of it. I mean, there's still like a little bit of nastiness in there. I really scrubbed these down and I took these apart. That's the pan for the coolant system, and then I got this is like an A-frame for the back legs, and then there's a frame for the middle legs in here, and this is the casting that your material sits on, and this is where the blade goes through. And so there's a couple little things with that. I went ahead and took everything out. You can see these grease fittings. And so I have all the fasteners out of it, and I'm gonna kind of wire wheel all this stuff and get it looking nice, and then I'm gonna prime over it with a thick primer and then put some epoxy enamel. thunder.